You just need to go to search menu and type language settings. Click on open it. In preferred languages, you just need to select add a language option, and you just need to search for the language you want. For example, I'm going with my Tamil language. Just type the language and depends on the country. You just need to select the language, guys. I'm in India, so I'm selecting Tamil India and then select next and then select install option. And now the language has been installed successfully, and you just need to select the personalization on the left side and select the text input option and scroll down. You can able to see touch keyboard. Just click on the down arrow and scroll down and view ever changes. Select the open keyboard option, and this is the keyboard. You can change the size, increase the size max amount like this big. For tutorial I can't visible this, so I'm changing to small. Can change to keyboard size to big, and key text size change to medium, large, depends on the preference. You can change it. I'm gonna keep it as medium. And now you just need to hold this ENG button with your mouse cursor and then select the language you want to type. I'm going with Tamil. And now open up Notepad. You can type in Tamil, guys, just like this. That's how you can install any language keyboard in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.